Get me off the channel. We're done, all right? Get me off the channel.
Well, folks, the snow is gone and the snow twin is out. Right there, snow twin baby, Frosty Cakes. That's my girl. As you can tell, I'm a really healthy person. I got some smoothies here, buy one get one free, and really enjoying them. I haven't had them for a really long time. And on that note of being really healthy, I'll skip to my next point. So I'm just driving to a different job site because I finished up at one of them, so I'm going to finish up at another one and then maybe even go to a third one, but I doubt it. I might just go home early, I'm not sure about that, but anyways, so that's what I got going for me. These smoothies are so good, I haven't had them in a long time. Just having a good old day today, baby. I'm got mixed smiles on my face. So hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next point of the video. So basically, I saw the manager in the store. I said, hey, aren't you the manager? And she said, yeah. So I was like, I just wanted to let you know you guys are doing a really good job. Best burgers, hands down, every time. They're perfect. You guys are just doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And she's all happy about that. And she's just like, hey, next time you do a survey or whatever for buy one get one free, just say that in the comments section or whatever. It really helps them out. So I will do that. And yeah, if you have the chance to make someone happy, definitely do it. Even if you're scared or embarrassed to say it, it always, in my case, I've never seen someone mad about a compliment or anything like that. So if you have the chance to make someone happy or compliment someone, just definitely do it. You don't know, it might really make their day or change their life or something like that. So just do it if you have the chance, and on to the next point. Obviously you're not gonna be able to hear that, but that was a gunshot. Heading over to my boy's house. You know who you are, obviously. Gonna go get some dinner. One of the best things about owning a Corvette is basically when you buy it from a dealership, they give you this little card, you put it in your wallet, and it says you can do whatever the hell you want, and there's no speed limits or laws or anything like that. It's basically like this laminated little get out of jail free card. You just show it to the officer. I've been pulled over like 30 times. You just show it to the officer, and they're just like, oh, go on your merry day. And then you just peel out and do like 100 out of there. So anyways, it's freaking awesome. You can do whatever you want. Just one of the perks of getting a brand new Corvette. So just thought you guys should know that in case you were in the market for a new Corvette. Basically, you can do whatever you want, drive how fast you want. It's pretty amazing. So just a heads up, definitely recommend it. I don't know if it's like that with Lamborghinis and Ferraris or anything like that, but definitely an added perk of owning a Corvette.
You're right on time.
Yeah.
I feel like you were like sitting there just waiting for the clock to turn so you could pull in. So I have to be back by 5:30, but I think that gives us enough time.
Are you serious?
No, of course
Get out.
not. Redline it, dude. What is that?
We're in a school zone.
You hit this road 120, dude.
You ready?
Yeah. maybe we won't. Maybe we won't. It's all right. Turn off traction control or what?
No, that's with it on.
That's with it on. Lets everyone around you know, hey, I'm a douchebag.
Hey, I'm slowing down. That's why, remember like that old video, like our second video, I was like, my car never sounds loud when I downshift or whatever. Like, now I know how to. Yeah,
and now you make it.
Drop 4 gears at once, it works.
This is what you need right next to us right now here, dude.
Dude, I see all these Priuses with wraps, and I'm like, dude, if a Prius can get a wrap, I'm letting the world down.
I want to get a Prius, and I'm going to have it wrapped.
You got to lower it, though, and put like 20s on it. The spinners, obviously.
Yeah, $ spinners.
Yeah.
Wow, that took off faster than you did, dude. Are you kidding me? That's embarrassing.
Oh, Price is coming up on me.
Yeah, but you'll get it in a quarter mile.
It's pretty close.
It is real close.
Just kidding.
The old spaghetti factory. Ooh, baby.
Just wait for the old walk sign, you know. Law-abiding citizens we are. Oh, all right, let's do this. Hey, you got the same pants as me, yeah?
Absolutely, Costco, dude.
Yeah, brother. Represent. Oh,
So smoky.
what was that? All right, so I got the manager's favorite, half Mazzetra, half meat sauce. Kevin got the fettuccine alfredo. All right, so that's what we got for dinner. All right, so I learned how to use these after like a year and a half. Look at that. I bet you didn't know about those, huh?
You know I didn't, and that's just so bright.
I still can't see your
like,
face. All right, let's get some more lighting here. Boom.
Oh, this is like YouTuber vlog light right here, dude.
Dude, yeah. How's my face look on camera?
Just about as good as it looks in person. It's not very.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up our video here. If you can see anything, had a good time, and thanks for hanging out as always. Anyways, so
Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Let's see if we can't get 2 likes on this video.
besides you,
I'm really hyping that one up, dude.
yeah,
I
for
was
sure.
setting some high expectations.
Why did I
there,
take
man.
my seatbelt off?
I don't know why you did.
Have a good night, sir. Kicked my door one last time. It was nice. It was nice knowing you.
Thank you, John.
Yep.
Good luck with the channel, bud.
Thanks.
Bye, guys.
That's Kevin signing out. Wow, slam the door. Alright, so that's gonna about wrap up this video. I'm just gonna watch the Blazer game, and other than that, I'm going to make this video, and that was my day. Nothing too special, but I got to hang out with Kevin, so that was awesome. And other than that, tomorrow's gonna be a good day. I'm getting one of my tax returns for almost $2,000, and then also I'm getting my $200 bank, my free $200 from the bank for opening a new savings account or whatever 3 months ago. So it's gonna be a good day tomorrow. And why does it feel like Friday's tomorrow? Anyways, it's not. So, whew, end of the month, end of whatever. With that being said, I want to say thanks for stopping by and watching. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.
All right, cut.